In primetime news this evening, who has the advantage going into this week's by-election in East Portland? The answer in the RJR Gleaner Don Anderson poll.
Opposition slams police over handling of issues of corruption and government scandals.
And don't panic, health authorities to Jamaica on H1N1.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
And I'm Archibald Gordon. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Herman Green has our preview. Herman?
Thanks, Archibald. Well, several entities have released their financials for the last fiscal year. I'll have those details and other stories in the business day.
And after an exciting weekend of champs, Jordan Fort is here with a preview of what's to come.
Yes, Janella, and Frank Field in Clarendon and in North Street in Kingston were in raptures this morning, as expected, as both Kingston College and Edwin Allen celebrated their champs victories from over the weekend. I'll tell you more about that in Primetime Sports Monday.
All right, there's also sports commentary, E-Prime and weather in the Primetime package. But before the break, the feedback question.
We're asking tonight, are you taking precautions to avoid contracting the H1N1 virus?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.